Hello everybody, good afternoon. My name is Alex. I'm from AVS Electronic Technologies. We are the electronic arm of AVS Installations. We have here a couple keypads set up for you to show you how we set up those little keypads for your business or your home. We have other doors that can take from 2 to 100 doors, but this is just a standalone by itself. So for example, we got two keypads here. This opens the door. This also opens the door. Here we can open this door. Here we also attach it to a siren to let the person know the door is open. So how do we get this off? Now we're going to do the same thing with this one. Now, those two, we just open the doors, they won't open it anymore. See? But my key still does. We got a push button on the side, opens the door too. This has a push button here with a siren, opens this door. Now it doesn't open it anymore. Same thing, nothing opens stuff. Now can we use this? Of course we can. So let's program this thing with that. Now, can we open the door with this? Of course. That's how simple and easy it is to set up this stuff. So you can have keychains, key fobs, cards, and have this standalone opening a door that you want secured, only opened by a specific type of people. So we have from the inside, if you want, for a hallways, you can push a button as you go out, or from outside you could put this as the employees come in, or put them in a cash office or record office in human resources as extra securities. Thank you very much, everybody. This is AVS Electronic Technologies. You can find that at myavs.com. Thank you very much. Have a good day.